Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford Ranger's ECU. This process can help clear error codes and improve performance. First, ensure your vehicle is turned off and parked safely. Then, open the hood and locate your battery. Using a wrench, carefully loosen the nut on the negative battery terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign. Once loose, gently remove the cable from the battery post. After disconnecting the negative battery cable, it's important to drain any residual power from the system. To do this, simply turn on your headlights for approximately 20 seconds. This step ensures that all capacitors and modules within the ECU are fully discharged, effectively clearing any stored memory or fault codes. It's a crucial part of a complete reset. Now that the system is fully discharged, it's time to reconnect your battery. Carefully place the negative battery cable back onto its terminal post. Using your wrench, tighten the nut securely until the cable is firmly attached and cannot be easily moved. A good, tight connection is essential for proper electrical flow and to prevent any intermittent issues down the road. With the battery reconnected, the final step is to perform an idle relearn procedure. Start your Ford Ranger's engine and let it idle for about 10 minutes without touching the accelerator pedal. This allows the ECU to relearn its idle parameters. Afterward, drive your vehicle normally for approximately 15 minutes. This helps the ECU adapt to your driving style and optimize performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.